Acacia Comics, guys, and how everybody's weekend going? I hope everybody's weekend's going well, and Monday's tomorrow, and I hope everybody's safe and has a good week, upcoming week. I got this comic here I bought on Monday, last Monday, and it just came in a couple days ago, and I haven't opened it. I just opened up the side right here so it'll be easier for me to get to it. I haven't seen it. I've just seen it on the pictures when I bought it on eBay. But if y'all a Spawn fan and y'all see my last video, y'all really gonna love this one. So let's get to it, guys. All right, I already got the side open here so I could just smooth it out. Let's fuss. Let's throw this away. Man, they already packed this pretty good, didn't they? Get this. Let's see here. Nice, nice, nice. Get that out the way so everybody can see it. Let's go ahead and take it out the plastic so you can see the full comic with no glare or anything like that. Bam! Russ #1. Full page Spawn ad by Todd McFarlane. And it's in bronze foil. So this one, it came out in 4/1992, manufactured with number 7909 printed on back cover. So supposedly, the research that I looked up on this comic here is they only made about 10,000 copies of this collector's edition with the bronze foil around it. That's why it's kind of shiny. I don't know if you can see it. Not bad for a 9.0, white pages. It's a 92. Fans, this is a Russ #1. Extremely rare book. Adventure Comics is the publisher that made this book. Now, Adventure Comics, they weren't all sold in every comic shop back in the day. They only had so many comic shops that sold Adventure Comics. So this is rare because if you weren't really a Russ fan, or you didn't even know about Spawn coming out, you wouldn't even know nothing about this book. So this is an extremely rare book for those for three reasons. Because not a lot of comic shops sold Adventure Comics. Another reason is they only made 10,000 of this variant copy. And another reason is it predates Malibu 13's for the first appearance of Spawn, as in an ad or a pinup. I wouldn't say cameo. They're using full page ad on this one, and then on Malibu 13 on the description they're saying it's a pinup. Malibu 13 has a first appearance of Spawn on the cover and the back, and they're using that as a pinup. So these two, Malibu 13 and Russ #1, predate Spawn #1, but Spawn #1 is still truly the first appearance of Spawn Al Simmons. That's what CGC claims for their own reasons. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's because they need a story to go with it, if that counts as the first appearance. I sent them emails of what declares a first appearance, but I haven't heard anything back. So it's not just a drawing and what the Spawn on it. That I guess that doesn't clarify as a first appearance. It has to have some other more detail in it. Maybe a cameo appearance, as in, hey, my name is Spawn. Whatever, there's like a page of it. I don't know if that counts as a cameo, how many pages it counts as a cameo, but they're not counting these as cameos. They're counting them as ads. This one's an ad, and in Malibu 13 they're calling it a pinup on the description based on CGC's descriptions. But just to clarify, this predates Malibu 13. And I think this book will go up when more people find out more about it. Not a lot of people know about Russ #1. Has Spawn in it on the last page in black and white. But now you know. And if you want to go try to pick one up, I bought this one for 99 bucks. And I think these comics will go up. And eventually they will make a Spawn movie. Might be a year from now, might be next year, might be 4 years, 5 years. But they will make a movie, and the longer we wait for the movie, it actually will probably benefit us, because every year that goes by, that CGI gets a lot better, and we're just going to get a better movie the longer we wait. So it's just going to benefit everybody in the comic book world when you see Spawn the right way, the way it should be. Now this one, Spawn #1, is if you want to see my last video, I talked more about this book. So this one right here is actually the first appearance of Spawn. This one came out on 5/92. Malibu 13 came out the same month, just a couple of weeks before this one came out. But they're still declaring this one the first appearance of Spawn, Al Simmons. So that's what CGC claims. So we can't really fight that without them telling us why they claim this one as the first appearance of Spawn. I'm just waiting for them emails to come back to see what clarifies as the first appearance. It's definitely probably not Malibu 13 because yeah, that has a cover of Spawn, and in the back has a picture of Spawn too on the back cover. But this one came out before, Russ number 1 came out before Malibu 13, and has a picture of Spawn on the last page in black and white, a full body sketch of him. So that one would be really the first appearance, not Malibu 13. Malibu 13 is skyrocketing in price. I don't know why. I don't know why it's so much. People are claiming that's the first appearance. The first appearance is the real one. It's the real one. I don't believe it is, in my own opinion. But that's just my opinion. Everybody has their own. You can take what you want. But if you look at the dates, Russ number 1 predates that one. So I don't know why people would say that. Maybe because they want their book to be valued more. I don't know. But I think all Spawn books are worth pretty good change, and be proud of your own collection, and be happy for what you got. And if you have a Malibu 13, be grateful, because that's one of the books I still want. I want one of those books so I could have the complete set. So if you have one, try to get Russ number 1 if you have the opportunity to complete your set. Probably already have one of these or a couple of these, because these are a lot easier to come by than that one. But yeah, congratulations on your Spawn collection, and it will set you apart from everybody else. But you know, at the end of the day, we're all Spawn collectors. We're all collectors of different varieties of characters, and we all should be just happy for each other and what we collect. So yeah, so please subscribe to my channel, because I want to show you more content, and the more subscribers I get, the more views I get, the better content I can show you, and I'm excited to show you more. So have a nice night. Thank you, Kishi fans.